between Darius and Miko. Oh, nawala.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Paano ba itanggalin?
Here comes JP. Pass to Miko. To Agbayani. To Gutierrez. Pass to Dosa Art. Rebound by Miko. Miko for two. Dito lang ito. Aurelio.
Dito ka.
Ha?
Paano ba yung screen?
Hindi ko alam. Okay, to number 0. Pass to Jay. Jay for two. Okay. Cholo to Miko. Miko. Rebound by Jay. Still by Miko. Miko to Agbayani. Agbayani. Rebound by Miko. Miko for two.
Sabi ko pag 10 seconds.
Oh. To Darius. To Haragan. Rebound. Goes to ball. Cholo. Still by Darius. Darius. Jay. Rebound by Nico. To Agbayani. Agbayani against Haragan. Screen by Dosa Art. Pass two. Out of bounds. That's touched by Cholo. Woo. Tired. Here comes Aurelio to Jay to Aurelio. 10 seconds shot clock. Aurelio. There's a foul on number 9. Agbayani. 2 free throws for Mike Aurelio. First free throw is up.
Follow through.
Rebound goes to Nico. Nico, former MVP. Nico attacking the basket. Rebound goes to Darius. Darius steal. Darius pass to Haragan. Pass to Aurelio. Darius with the reverse. To Miko. Gutierrez for 3. To number 0. Pass to Darius. Darius to Jay. Oh, still by Cholo. Pass to no. Pass to out of bounds. That's JB.
Tayo na lang.
What's the win?
Darius to number 0. Number 0 for 2.
All you.
Agbayani to Gutierrez. Rebound by Jay. Aurelio. Steal. Harlow.
And one.
Rebound by Paul. Paul for 2.
Hey, need points. We need points. 3-point. Keep shooting. That's it. Easy.
Aurelio.
Right there.
Rebounds up by Jay. Oh, there's a foul on number 14, Cholo. Second team foul for that team. 2 free throws for Illinois.
Ha? Hindi siya
Hey, Jeff. I drink too much last night. Jeff.
Hindi, 40 seconds lang yun. 40 seconds lang yun.
Illinois, 1 for 2.
Baka seconds lang ganun.
Here comes
Pumasok ko dalawa.
Harlow.
Salam, salam.
Harlow to Paul. To Gutierrez.
1 of 2 lang.
Gutierrez with the steal. Steal by Darius. Nico got the ball back. Pass to Dozart. Dozart for 2. Baby boy.
14, 17.
14 to 7. Here comes Darius. 10 seconds shot clock. Aurelio with the side step. Aurelio with the shot. Out of bounds.
Shot lang, ilan? 14.
14 seconds shot clock. Paragan. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Aurelio for 2. Here comes Miko. Miko pass the ball. Paul, the post to Cholo. Rebound by Gutierrez. And a putback. Water rebound and a putback. Out of bounds. Time remaining 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Agbayani. Rebound goes to number 0. Number 0 to Darius. Darius attacking the basket. Pass to Illinois. Dozart. Rebound by Darius. Pass to Caragan. Rebound by Jay. Jay to Aurelio. Rebound by Paul. Oh no, to Miko. With the scoop shot. Rebound by Baby Boy. Dozart for 2. Nalikod naman ito ano?
Keep pushing.
Okay, here comes Darius. Darius to number 0. 10 seconds shot clock. 9, 8, 7. Rebound by Dozart. Time out.
Now.
Time out.
Sinabi ko sa referee.
Time out. Nico's team.
Good luck ko yun. Tinawag ko kay Gio. Sinabi ko tapos. Kay Tio na ako nakatingin.
Tuloy lang daw.
Post mo lang.
Ipos ko.
Okay, it's black ball.
Naka-live vibe din, no? Hindi.
Hindi yata. Okay, ball inbounding.
Screen!
Ball. Rebound to Aurelio. Zigzagging. Aurelio steal. Aurelio steal. Oh, Aurelio got the ball back. Aurelio to Darius. Rebound by Agbayani. Agbayani. And there's a foul on number 17.
Good job, boy.
Jay. 2 free throws for Harlow.
One more.
Basket's good.
Get back.
Light. Rebound. Rebound goes to Darius. Darius, 36 seconds to Paragan. Rebound goes to Choro. Choro.
Shoot!
To Carlo. To JP. Rebound by Paragan. 20 seconds. Aurelio. Wow.
Come on.
Nagalaw itong ito.
It's your foul.
10 seconds. Darius. Rebound to Dosa. Wow. And of the first quarter score, 19-9 in favor of Black Team, Nico's team. Back to the ball game. Here comes Darius. Back to Darius. To Aurelio. Aurelio. To Darius. Darius for three. Carlo to Baito. To Gutierrez. Rebound to Darius. Here comes Aurelio. Aurelio, what a beautiful jump shot by Aurelio. Here comes Carlo. Carlo to Banjo. David. Rebound by Nico. And there's a foul on number 11. Odikta, aka Mr. Blake. First personal foul. First team foul for white team. 2 free throws for Nico Gutierrez. Basket is good for Nico. Super two for Nico. Odikta to Illinois. To Darius. Rebound goes to Anton. Carlo Gutierrez. To Banjo to David. Out of bounds. Single. Shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. David inbounding. To Anton. Rebound. Out of bounds. Here comes Darius. Pass to Aurelio.
Check mo nga yung score.
24 din oh. 2 points for Carlo Agbayani. Still, Anton. Agbayani again. Rebound goes to Agbayani. Pass to Nico. Nico, wide open. Nico. Rebound goes to Agbayani. Rebound goes to Nico. Rebound to Darius. Here comes Darius. Pass to Aurelio. Aurelio for 3. 22-17. Here comes Banjo to Carlo. Carlo against Gloria. Carlo, pass to David. David with a beautiful shot. Assist by Carlo Agbayani. comes Darius. Darius against Agbayani. Two youngsters against each other. Pass to Gloria. Gloria. Rebound by David. Here comes Miko. Pass to Agbayani. Agbayani spreading the middle. Pass to David. David with that shot. And a foul. Foul on number 13. Darius. Bonus free throw for number 24. David. Ganda daw ng pasa.
Sino pa?
Darius. Bonus free throw is good for David.
Back to 10 points lead.
Now back to 10-point lead, 27-17. Here comes Gloria. Gloria against Canton. Gloria still got the ball. Double team. Pass to Jay. Jay. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6. Gloria for 3. Here comes Carlo. Carlo to Brando. To Miko. Rebound goes still out of bounds. Same ball. Mando to Miko. Miko. Rebound by Odita. Here comes the white team. Pass to Darius. Darius. Screen by Odita. Behind the back. Darius. Pass to Alinoy. Alinoy with the fake. Alinoy with that jump shot. Rebound goes to David. David to Miko. Miko attacking the basket with the left hand. Rebound by Alinoy. Here comes Alinoy. Rebound by Agbayani. Agbayani to Miko, wide open. Miko for 2. Here comes Darius. Darius from the parking lot. Air ball. Time out. White team. Back to the ball game. Score 28-20. Time remaining 3 minutes and 24 seconds. Here comes Banjo, aka Raymond Green. Alright, Miko with that scoop shot and 1. Foul on number 2. 32. Gloria. Bonus free throw for Miko Gutierrez. Gloria. Bonus free throw is good for Miko. Here comes Gloria. Aurelio. What a rebound by Raymond Green. Pass to David. David with the fake. Pass to Canton. Canton. Rebound by David. David. David for 2. Darius. Darius hook shot. Rebound by Raymond Green. Here comes Miko. Pass to Agbayani. Agbayani for 3. Agbayani for 3. It's still by Agbayani. Agbayani again. He check Agbayani. Back to back 3. Score 39-20. In favor of Miko's team. Here comes Aurelio. Aurelio against Canton. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Steal by Draymond Green. Pass to Miko. Miko, wide open. Miko for 2. Assist by Banjo.
Assist, rebound.
Assist, rebounds, he's everywhere.
To Raymond. Pakagaling.
Banjo against Uncle Breaker. Here comes Daven. Daven to Agbayani. Another hit check. Agbayani. Rebound by Aurelio. Aurelio to Gloria. Gloria. Pass to Darius. Darius for 3. This is by number 32, Gloria. 34 seconds. 41 to 23. Miko. Miko is screened by Banjo. Miko zigzagging. Miko for 2. 19 seconds left. Here comes Darius. Darius against Canton. Jump shot. Darius for 2. 8 seconds. 7, 6. Ow. I don't know. End of the first half. Score 43 to 25 in favor of Miko's team. Shout out to Dion and the other referee. Kevin. Thank you for officiating this league. NBL Noivy Basketball League. Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter.
Who's ball? Who's ball?
White ball.
Hey, stop.
Number 0 to Darius. Darius to number 0. Number 0. Rebound by Cholo. To Paul. To Darius. Daven. Rebound by Carlo. Carlo. To Paul. To Canton. To Daven. Steal by Darius. Darius. Pass to Aurelio. Aurelio with the putback. Aurelio for 2. Canton. To Agbayani. Rebound by number 0. Number 0 to Haragan. Haragan. In the shot. Rebound by Agbayani. Agbayani with a scoop shot. Rebound, out of bounds. White ball. Darius to Alenoid. Alenoid. Alenoid to Aurelio. Aurelio.
Short.
Rebound by Canton. To JP. Agbayani. Agbayani pass to Cholo. Cholo. Cholo again. Rebound by Darius. Pass to Alenoid. Alenoid. Pass to number 0. Back to number 0. Number 0 for 2.
Ano pangalan nun? Ha? James? James.
2 point for James. Canton. Canton, pass to Cholo, pass to Agbayani. Agbayani. The bank is open on Saturday. Here comes Darius.
Get a stop. Get a stop.
Wala pa, 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
5 minutes, sub.
Alenoid to Haragan. Haragan. Rebound by David. Paul. Here comes Darius. Darius zigzagging. Darius with the jump shot. John.
Hold on.
Darius for 2. Carlo. Rebound by Carlo. Rebound by Caragan. Caragan to Aurelio. Aurelio for 3. Cholo. Cholo. Power move. Cholo for 2. Caragan to James. To Aurelio. Aurelio for 3. Assist by James. Here comes Dagan. Dagan. Pass to Cholo. To Anton. Anton with the jump shot. Anton. Rebound goes to Darius. Darius. To James. James. To Darius. Darius. Rebound goes to Jay. Jay. To Aurelio. Aurelio. Rebound to David. Here comes Carlo. Carlo. Screen by Cholo. Screen. Pass to David. Pass to Cholo. Cholo got the ball. Pass to nobody. Out of bounds. That's a nice sequence, but out of bounds. Here comes Darius. Darius against JP. JPB. The post to Alinoid. Alinoid. Alinoid with the fake. Alinoid with the shot. Bonus. Foul number 14. Cholo. Bonus free throw for Jay. Alinoid. Substitution. Rep.
Sino yung foul kanina?
Si Cholo.
Bonus free throw for Jay Alinoid.
Outside, one shot.
Basket is good. Goes hard. Goes hard. Rebound by Darius. Out of bounds.
17 shot clock.
17 seconds shot clock. 17 seconds to shoot. Jay. To Gloria. Caragan. To Darius. Darius. Darius for 3. Down to 6-point lead. Here comes Miko. To Banjo. Pass to David with the reverse. Whoa! What a pass by Banjo. AKA Raymond Green. Darius. Rebound. Back to David.
David ang nakashoot.
David. To Carlo. Out of bounds. 14 seconds shot clock. Miko inbounding. Pass to Carlo. Carlo crossover. Carlo. Carlo for 2. Here comes Darius. 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 Step back for 3. Here comes Carlo. 54 to 47. Banjo! Rebound by Alinoid. Alinoid behind the back. Alinoid. Alinoid blocked by David. Nice defense. Here comes Carlo. Carlo to Banjo. Banjo. Haragan, pass to Jay. Jay 4-2. Lord, are you good? Substitution. Time remaining 2 minutes and 24 seconds. Score 54-49. Here comes Carlo. Carlo to Dosa Art. To Banjo. Haven. Rebound by Nico. Nico again. Rebound by Darius. Darius. Foul on number 17. Uncle Banjo. Passing.
Only by 5.
Darius. Against Banjo. Banjo. Darius for 3. Down to 2-point lead. Here comes Carlo. Carlo against Caragan. Carlo for 3. Darius. Crossover. Darius. Jump shot. Darius for 3. He's on fire. Darius. Here comes Agbayani for 3. The future of the NBL. 10 seconds shut down. Aurelio. Foul on number 15. Nico Gutierrez. 13 foul for Nico's team. Arenoy, pass to Odika. Up, out of bounds. I think they tap it. White ball. 26 seconds. 20.
Go get it.
Odika. Rebound by David. Carlo. 30 seconds. Dosa Art. Steal by Darius. 5. Odikta. Oh, what a block. What a block by Agbayani. Darius. And on the third quarter, score 60-54 in favor of Nico's team. Okay, back to the ball game.
Bola nyo ba?
It's only 4 points right there. 4 points. 6 points.
Black ball.
Come on, Clarence. Let's go, Clarence.
Hey, if you didn't use the foul, you should.
Here comes Agbayani. To David. David to Agbayani. Screen by Cholo. 10 seconds. Miko. To Cholo. David for 2. Now back to 8-point lead. Here comes Darius. Still by Paul to Agbayani. Agbayani for 2. To James. This is the 4th and final quarter. James to Haragan. Rebound by Nico. Pass break to Agbayani. Agbayani for 3. Now it's back to 13-point lead. Aragan. Back to James. James. To Aragan. Aragan. Back to Aurelio. 10 seconds. Aurelio, airball. Here comes Nico. Nico against Aragan. Nico attacking the basket. Nico! Minasahe move.
That's a lot of mosquito right there.
Here comes Aurelio.
Stay right there, stay right there.
Odita spreading the middle. Pass to up. Kick ball.
Shot lang. Ayan. Reset ba?
James inbounding. Still by Miko. Miko to JP. JP. JP for 2. Out of bounds. Good defense. Here comes Carlo. Sumiko. Rebound by Darius. Darius.
All you, all you.
Rebound by Bayani.
Right there.
To Cholo. Rebound by Bayani.
Labas, labas.
Rebound by Nico. Nico. Nico for 2. 73 to 54. Here comes Darius. Darius. Chidra. Rebound goes to Cholo. Agbayani. Agbayani for 2. Odikta. Rebound tap goes to Agbayani. Now Miko all alone. Miko. Easy 2 for Miko. Odikta. Rebound by Daven. Now to Miko to Agbayani. Easy basket. Time out. White team. Back to the ball game.
Hey, don't take it easy. Finish strong, finish strong.
Here comes Darius.
Kunin sana kita, wala sa joke.
To Alenoid. To James. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7. Jay. Rebound by Cholo. Here comes Canton. 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 Pass to
16 seconds.
out of bounds. 16 seconds shot clock. Dosa. To Carlo. Carlo Agbayani. Another 3.
Jonathan, shooter, Jonathan, your side. Oh, go ahead.
Here comes Darius. Rebound by Cholo. Cholo to Agbayani. 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 Pass to Dosa Art. Dosa Art. Rebound by Cholo. Cholo in the putback. Rebound by Darius. Darius. Attacking the basket. Rebound by Aleon. Pass to James. Pass to Aragan. Aragan wide open. Aragan. Rebound by Cholo. Here comes Banjo, aka Raymond Green. Banjo from the parking lot. Now to Agbayani. Pass to Dosa. Dosa R4-2. Assist by Carlo. Here comes Aurelio. Aurelio attacking the basket. Pass to Darius on the side. Darius. Darius for 3.
At 4 points.
Here comes Carlo. Carlo Carlo out of bounds. That's a rare miss for Carlo. Here comes Darius. Score 84 to 57. Aurelio. Rebound by Alinoy. Nice defense by Dosa. Steal and a block, I guess. Carlo. Oh, nice pass by Draymond Green. Cholo. Another rebound by Cholo. Ang Bayani. Oh, what a rebound by Draymond Green. Rebound and points for Banjo, aka Draymond Green. To Raymond Green daw, sabi ni Commissioner. Hindi ako. To Darius. Darius! Another rebound by Draymond. Still by James. James to Darius. Darius. Rebound by Darius. Wide open. Wide open for three. 86 to 60. 3 minutes more to go. To Canton. Canton. Rebound by Jay. To Darius. To Haragan.
Push, Banjo, push.
Rebound by Banjo. To Dosa.
Here, Cholo.
To Cholo. Rebound by Dosa. And a putback. 88 to 60. Haragan. To Darius. Oh, what a rebound by Banjo.
You got corners.
Banjo with the crossover. Banjo. Banjo still. Pass to Cholo. Cholo for two. Assist by Raymond Green. Quadruple double. Aurelio. Out of bounds. Here comes Carlo. To Banjo. Banjo! Here comes James. Haragan. Haragan for three. Here comes Agbayani. Agbayani. Out of bounds. Time remaining 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Keep scoring, keep scoring.
Canton. Canton for three. 1 minute and 10 seconds. Haragan. To Darius. Rebound by Alinoy. To Aurelio. Aurelio. Rebound by Canton. Darius. To Banjo. Banjo to Dosa. Dosa for two.
Banjo, continue, Banjo.
Haragan. To Alinoy. Rebound goes to Darius. Darius. Rebound by Canton. 30 seconds. Banjo. Tumira. Umasa. Steal. Alinoy. Haragan. Haragan. Haragan for three. Score 95 to 66. The winner, Miko Steel.